Hey kids, today we are gonna do Let's Make Art. This is me. This is Ella Cray. Ella Cray. Me, Ella Cray. This is Nicole. Nicole. And this is Keenan.
Hey.
Keenan.
That was so good. And what are we painting today?
Snowman.
Woohoo! We're super excited. Okay, Ella, do you want to introduce the supplies? What are we using?
Say hello, Bob, Jerry, and Jeff.
Perfect. They are acrylic paints. So we're gonna be using white, blue, and gold, but you can use any colors that you have. So grab that. Grab a paintbrush. We got a paintbrush. Whoa, runaway sponge. We're gonna be using a sponge,
That's fun.
which we're really excited about, and black paper. So we're gonna be coloring on that. Now, to get started, we gotta do our first step, which is, do you wanna say it? Our motto?
Yes.
Go for it.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I am kind.
I am kind.
I am creative.
I am creative.
Let's do it.
Boom! Woohoo! Okay, now we are ready. So, step one is grab your sponge. Now, if you don't have a sponge, maybe you ask an adult, or you can use a piece of paper towel. You want to do that. Now, we are going to use our white first. So grab your sponge and dip it in. Nice.
Do you need a lot?
You don't need that much actually, but maybe you can use that for all 3 of your circles.
Oh, nice.
So the first step is we are going to draw the outline of our circles. So let's draw the head of our snowman. Yes, do you have a question?
You said first.
I know, I did hear what you said. First, thank you.
First.
I speak some words funny. Okay, we're going to first draw oh, it's okay, that'll be part of your snow.
You ready?
Nice. Oh, there you go. Is that your middle body?
No.
That can be that. I love that.
This is my middle body.
Do that. Oh, that's your middle one? Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw, think of it as you have 3 different balls of snow. So Ella's doing that, and I love how you just made that work.
Yeah, nice, Ella.
Good job. Then you could draw the head. So you can either start with any of your balls. I like to start with the first one because I like to draw a circle. First, thank you. And there's our head. Good job. Then you're gonna keep going, and I'm gonna draw my second one. Ella already beat me.
I beat her.
And then that one, nice.
Nice.
Then we're gonna draw the bottom for the snow. So just on the side. And then next step is we need a little bit more paint. So dip in.
Do I?
Do you? You might not. And then we're going to color in. So you're gonna use this to make your snow. So you're gonna dab. Good job. You're gonna dab, and this is gonna make snow. So you can see.
This white
Oh, you have
lighter than
so
that
much.
white?
I don't know, maybe because you're pressing harder. I like that. Snow is all different.
Oh, yeah.
Some of it's really, really white, some of it isn't.
I like to put snow in sand castle toys
Oh,
because then it packs nicely.
that's a great idea.
And there's no sand in Missouri. So,
Yeah.
which is a good thing, really.
Sand is great.
Snow is greater.
Snow is very nice, especially right now. So we're gonna make our snow.
Wait,
Good
it's
job.
snowing right now?
So you know what's cool, Ella? Look at yours compared to mine. It's cool. Everyone's is a little bit different. So Ella's is really, really mine has some black showing.
Ella's looks like how my snowmen usually look. Super packed of snow,
Super packed.
which is good.
Do you like making snowmen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it.
Oh,
I
yeah.
love it so much.
I thought it was gonna be thin.
Thin, your
My
snowman?
snowman will be like a twiggy.
I'm Twiggy.
So good. Okay, so we're just dabbing, so we're pressing on the paper, drawing our snow.
What's next step?
Do you want to do, and then, so your snowman is on snow, so do you want to add some snow to the bottom?
Oh, nice.
Oh, go for it.
How do you get this?
I know. So if you need to squeeze, or you can use a paintbrush We're going to be using all this.
Oh, and if you're working on a surface that you don't want paint on, maybe
Here's the paper towel.
ask, did you already say this?
No, go for it.
Maybe ask for some assistance to get cardboard or something put on the surface you're working on. Cardboard or other paper, newspaper,
Paper.
paper.
To put underneath.
Yeah, to put underneath it.
Good idea.
Hey, this smells like
Maybe even some wax paper from the kitchen.
Oh yeah, that would work too. Oh, look at all of your snow. That looks so
Mine has a
good.
really big blizzard.
Do you want to
Oh,
push
you're-
it to the left a little bit, closer to the middle?
So we can see.
Yeah. Nice.
Phew, phew.
Good job. Okay.
I could just hear the crowd doing phew, phew.
For your snowman?
Phew. I can't whistle.
Oh, I know what you're saying.
Keenan can whistle.
You can. Whoa.
Is that what you were thinking?
Yes.
There you go.
This is as big as I can do it.
I can't whistle either. It's okay.
How loud's your whistle?
I can't.
The only way I can whistle is because these teeth on the bottom are so close together, so there's a little hole in the middle. I'm like, I can just go through that instead make my tongue a tunnel.
There's a lot of different ways you can whistle. You can teach yourself how to do it. My brother teased me when I was a kid because I couldn't whistle the same way he could. So I learned how he does it.
How?
Well, he only whistles when you blow out. But I used to whistle only and could only suck air in.
Whoa.
Ooh, that's pretty.
But if you go back and forth, you don't have to breathe. You can just whistle all the time.
We can learn after.
Yeah,
I want to
we'll
learn
work on
with
it.
you. Okay, tell us if you can whistle at home. That's cool if you can
Yeah,
whistle.
we want to know if you can whistle.
I wish I could hear it.
I can have listens
Yes.
if I meet you, which will probably happen.
It might happen.
Maybe.
We can have people on with us.
Yeah.
That would be fun.
Yeah.
Okay, now we are done with our snowman for now. We're gonna go and draw our snowflakes. So we have blue, and we can either use blue, or if you want to mix, we have a little bit of white. Maybe I'll make a lighter color for us.
I want dark.
Okay, you can want
Actually,
dark blue.
I'll do dark
Do it.
for some snowflakes.
I'll make us 3 different colors. So if you have white, you can mix in, and you can see that we have 3 different
I'm gonna make boom,
colors.
boom, 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 boom.
Love it. So there are several different ways. There are a few different ways that you can draw snowflakes. Ella's gonna use little dots. I love that. Or if you have our zine, flip to page 8, and you can draw a snowflake.
I like it's called a zine.
Did you show the zine?
Oh no, I don't know if I should. Oh yeah, you can't see that.
Yeah, look at that.
So here's our zine, and I'm gonna show you what we're on page 7 right now, but we're gonna learn how to draw a snowflake. Have you drawn a snowflake before?
No.
Okay, let's do it. You actually started it together. Started it with that one. Okay, you wanna try with me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so draw a line, a vertical line, which means a line going up and down first. Any size? First. So draw a line going up and down, and then a line across. Nice. And then you're gonna draw an X over it. Nice. Then think of your snowflake having arms. So on each one, we're gonna draw a V. So draw a V. Can you see my snowflake?
No.
Should I draw a lighter one?
How about you bring it to the left
Left.
and then bring your head up?
How do you draw a V?
Okay. So let's start with the top one. So in this space right here, in the open space, you're gonna draw a V
I was thinking close up, so let me move this.
like that. Nice. So do that on all the arms. Yes. There you go. If you need some, you can add a little bit of water because it gets a little dry. So we're gonna draw V's on all of our bodies. Is this an okay spot?
Yep, that's a great spot.
Okay. So we're adding V's.
Sometimes I decide if I want to like.
Love it. Then, if you want, you can also draw dots. So maybe you draw dots anywhere on the edges. Like that. You can have it a little
nice.
sprinkle a little bit. And then you can also draw diamond shapes if you want. Maybe at the ends, I'm gonna draw a diamond.
And a good thing to remember, no two snowflakes are alike.
Thank you for saying
So
that.
meaning every single snowflake looks different. There's never a duplicate.
Did you know that, Ella?
Yes.
They're all different. So they're all different sizes and different shapes, like Keenan said. So fill up your night sky with
Philip.
more. Philip?
Philip.
Is that the name of your snowman?
Philip now.
Philip.
So you can either draw dots if you don't want to draw snowflakes. You can do that. You can draw them different colors. I love all yours. Maybe you just draw X's.
This one is my personal favorite.
That's such a good one.
Ooh, you should show us that one. That one's just a little off the screen right now. Okay. Ooh, nice. Which one were you talking about, actually?
Whoa!
Careful.
It's okay. You're good. You're good.
Nice.
Right there.
Yes, that one's so good.
Wow, this white paint dry.
Wow, that was fast.
That is fast.
Okay. Okay. Now, so our snowman's done? Or your snowman's dry?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do the next part then.
Two.
Let's do it. Okay, so grab a black pen. We're going to be using a paint pen called a Posca pen, but you can grab any pen.
Pasuska.
It can be called that too. And can you teach us how you like to draw your eyes?
So you do a circle,
Mm-hmm.
an oval, or a normal circle.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. And this is your choice. You can either do this one.
So she's drawing a circle on the top, and then an oval or a circle in the middle, coloring in the black part in the middle.
I'm
Yes.
gonna do this one,
That's
Or-
super cool.
Or do you want to switch? Here.
or
So then you can show them a different way. So another way. So she do a half moon there,
then
another
quarter
one.
moon, quarter moon on the side.
Nice.
Then that's one.
So cool.
What?
Ella, thank you for teaching us that. So there's so many different ways you can draw. So on this one, what I did was also, if you end up drawing yours, you can just draw it all the way black, and then the little white spots that Ella and I left is you can add those with white paint. So there's so many different ways that you can do that. But I'm gonna do mine like Ella's did. So she did a circle, and then a half circle, like that. So maybe I'll show you. If you accidentally colored it all in and you want to add a little shimmer, you can just use white paint. I'm going to add my
Can I have a
dot to it
smile?
like that. Yeah, so let's draw a smile.
Nice.
So your smile can either be in the center, mine's going to be a little bit off. And I added little lines to it at the end. Yeah, and then we're actually going to draw the nose in gold. So let's draw now. Snowman have stones that are
Students.
buttons. They buttons?
I think you said students.
Stones.
Stones.
Said it
We've
with
got
an accent.
stones in our snowman.
Whoa.
So you're gonna add little circles or ovals, color that in. Yeah, if the paint pen, you can shake it a little bit. Good job.
Yeah, they could be They could be buttons, or they could be
I
stones.
like
You're gonna have buttons all the way up and down.
They could be
I like it.
cookies.
They could make. Oh, little mini chocolate
Little
chip
mini
cookies.
chocolate chip cookies.
this kind of
I think
smile.
what's happening is, see, you have a little bit of white on it. Maybe wipe it up a little bit. Yeah. There you go. Maybe press into it. There you go. Here, I'm gonna switch. I'll fix it, I'll bring it back to life. And if you've never started your paint pen, what you're gonna do is you're gonna shake it a few times and then push into your paper, and then it'll get it flowing. Yes.
Chocolate chip cookies.
I love it. Okay.
I'm gonna do the last one.
A heart?
Aw.
They found a heart rack.
That's so fun. Okay, last step is we're gonna have a gold nose. Now, if you have orange and you want to be an orange carrot, you can draw that. Ella and I have gold, so we're gonna have a gold nose. So to do that, you're gonna draw
Not too much.
a line.
Almost dripped. I saved my snowman.
Good job. Here, I'll bring it
Save
closer
my
to you if that
snowman
helps.
from dying.
And then you're gonna draw a triangle. So you're gonna draw a line out. Your carrot can be any size. That works. And then I'm gonna connect it to make it pointy. I think you had a little bit more water on there, but it's okay. Do you want it to be a solid color? So we can do another layer after.
You ready? I'm just gonna
Or you can do it now. Yeah,
another layer right.
there you go.
Tap it.
Yeah. So I'm gonna add another layer too.
Arms. Who forgets arms on a snowman?
And then arms.
I forget arms on a
So
snowman.
you have 2 arms on your snowman. So you're gonna draw a line out on the side, coming up, and then your arms. So arms usually, when you're building a snowman, you're using twigs. So that's what we're drawing.
Yes.
One more idea for gold.
Okay, tell me.
Add an accessory.
Ooh, are you gonna draw a scarf? Oh, a hat?
Oh, good idea.
Yes. So now this is the fun part where you get to play. What can you add? I love that. Maybe I'm gonna draw a scarf on mine. Yes. So you get to decorate your snowman
However you like.
however you like.
Because no snowman or neither snowflakes do.
Mm-hmm. Oh, do you want us to
That's
tell
right.
us a story about your snowman while you're painting them?
Fred.
Fred?
Fred was my friend Fred is a snowman
Mm-hmm.
built by this guy,
You did it. Good job.
and he loves summer. I built him
Oh.
in summer by sand.
Ooh. What?
Oh.
A sand snowman?
Sand snowman.
I just had an idea.
What?
What if you could make a snowman out of, like sculpture one out of sand,
Mm-hmm.
bring him out here, and then just let snow cover him? Then you already got a snowman made.
Yeah, that's what I did to him.
That's amazing.
Good idea.
But he'll never melt.
That's way cooler than my idea.
Good job. Okay. Ooh, I think I'm gonna add some gold while you're doing that. I wanna add some gold snowflakes.
That would look really good.
It's gonna do gold dots. Instead of
Ooh,
snowflakes.
yeah. I'll do that too with you. So just adding little dots.
Dotty, dotty.
Boom. You were so creative. Look at your hat.
Nice.
Ella, do you like it?
Uh-huh.
I love it so much. Okay, we're done.
You can have earrings.
Oh,
Nice.
yes. Okay, good job.
Hot job.
You want to hold it up? We can show the camera.
Da-da-da-da-dum.
Don't
Ta-da!
Please don't trip. Paint.
Oh yeah, will it drip? No, we're good. Okay. Woo! Okay, good job everyone. We want to see what you make. We have a Facebook group. We'll take a picture of yours actually, and we'll put it in there too. We have a Facebook
I did
group
not know that one's okay. That scared me.
called Let's Make Art Kids Projects that ask a grown-up to take a picture of yours we would like to see. Tell us what you name it. Tell us a story. Ella and I want to see. And always remember that you are brave, kind, and creative.
I want to see.
We want to see.
I want to see my apron. I want to see mine.
And happy holidays, everyone. Okay, want to say bye to the camera?
Bye, camera.
Bye.